Hey peeps, so here we are. I didn't think to do this until just now, but I am filling in the cracks. I'm rehabilitating this knife. It's a big honkin' Smith & Wesson Texas Hold'em limited issue bowie knife. And I am filling in the cracks. It's got a cracked handle. It's quite cracked and dull. I'm going to refinish it with some wood finish, a little bit of like there's one of the cracks I just did. There's the major cracks I did on this side. There's one right there that I haven't even touched yet. None on that side, which is surprising, but it also comes with this really nice sheath. Well, I mean, it's nice leather. It's rough right now. It's got the Smith & Wesson logo. But I'm going to restore this too. It's very dull and I don't know, needs protected, cleaned up. But I'll do that. Fits the knife perfectly. Then I'm going to mirror polish the blade just at the drop point. This is a clip point blade, and just where the clip point is on the lower side, this side I'm going to mirror polish both sides so that it doesn't mess up the limited issue or the Texas Hold'em lettering, but still gives it a little bit of, panache, a little bit of something. But I did sharpen it. It's razor sharp right now, which I should have done that last, but I don't know. I had like 10 knives I was sharpening, and I just sharpened it. So I'll see you guys in a little bit after I'm done. I'm gonna sand it after I'm through filling in the cracks. Sand it down, and this is gonna be very shiny, but it'll look good. I might even polish the hilt, the handguard. And then after I sand it, I'm going to throw some, which since it's a dark wood, and this is the darkest wood filler I could find. But it's still much lighter than this, I don't know, dark walnut, I think. But this is dark walnut stain. I'm going to mix it with a little thinner, brush it on there, make it look good. Let it set for a couple of days. It'll look good. And I'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards.